Laura Emig.
She puts a lot of time and effort into making sure the kids feel excited about coming to math class. She makes learning fun. She's a joy to work with. You know, she's always upbeat.
She will never give up on a student. Even if they put up multiple roadblocks, she is still looking for new ways to reach them. She does a lot of small group instruction. My favorite part about her is that, one, she's the child's advocate, and she believes in all of them.
She seeks out the kids that have challenges. She's just very loving and nurturing. She really goes above and beyond. She wants to support her kids, and she is just soaring in this school.
Jennifer Drone.
I'd heard about her before I met her, so they were constantly coming in and saying, oh, the media center specialist is so great, Mrs. Drone is wonderful. Mrs. Drone goes above and beyond every single day. And she's always smiling, she's always out and about in the hallways and being seen. She is someone who these kids know, they look up to, and they see that loves their job.
She has a drive as a media specialist that embodies the love of reading no matter who you are. She is willing to share that with others and mentor and support in any way that she can.
It's a huge relief to know that someone takes that much interest in your child and that person is really so instrumental in getting them to want to read over and over and over. And it's something that they'll keep for the rest of their lives.
April Cook.
She's all about kids. She's all about building that relationship with kids. She makes them feel special every day. People are drawn to her. She is an advocate for her children. She's an advocate for her peers, her staff members. She wanted to do a garden club. Now the kids can go outside and actually see it, and those hands-on experiments and those hands-on activities. She works with our special needs students, and they were very successful based on what they were learning in her class.
She truly does get to know every student and what will help them succeed. My son came home with an AB honor roll, and that is a lot due to April's educating of him.
For Rock Springs Elementary, our houses stand for ROCK, so responsibility, optimism, clever, and kindness, and those are the qualities that we want our students to have so they're successful, and she's played a big part in that.
Rob Paschal.
One of the things that you'll see with Rob is his energy. I think right away as you walk into the classroom, he's got the tone and the energy that you just can't take your eyes off of him. I see the joy in his face when he starts a lesson. He also loves to collaborate and actually seeks out collaboration, trying to figure out the best thing for kids.
He just understands what it means to be a great teacher, not just focused on academics. He focuses on character. He has a compassionate sense of urgency when it comes to teaching.
Rob truly showcases what's best about education, to develop great lessons, deliver them, have fun, and it's infectious. As a teammate, you would walk into Rob's room and know that, we were gonna have a good day. That's really how it feels.
Rebecca Wesolowski.
She's just energetic, just makes you want to be around her, likes to have fun. When the kids come into the media center, she's excited about reading. Becky is our Girls on the Run coach. She helps out, whether it's with technology. Her reach definitely extends far from just being in the media center.
She just has a connection with everyone, and she wants everyone to succeed. Kids know if you are authentic and if you're not. And they know she cares about every single child in the school.
The energy she brings, she motivates you. She's just a real part of our community here, and she's just a delight to be around.